la! Your dream vacation to Sri Lanka starts from rupees 24,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
How many times did you fail?
I think once definitely, but I think twice.
You think twice. Was it hard or was it soft?
Soft,
Soft. Like what would you say?
like a feather.
Like a feather. Please open your eyes. Thank you so much. I know you have no clue what happened because you were being a part of this and feeling everything you were. They saw what happened. आपको बोलना है इनको क्या हुआ?
टू मच इंग्लिश आपके मतलब ये मेरे हो रहा था लाभ फील कर रहे थे ओ भाई आई लव यू यार
So this works for 24 hours. So whatever he does for 24 hours, you'll feel. Be careful tonight.
कोई टेंशन नहीं अकेला ही हूँ
उसी का तो डर है. Alright. When was the last time you spoke to them, roughly? 15-20 साल हो गए. And you've not been in touch with him since? Starts with a D? Devesh. This is the bad news of the day because Vicky, if you actually turn this the other way around, it forms the title Bad News.
There's a magician in the house.
हेलो भाजी
Hi, brother.
Thank you so much. Big fan.
हेलो ब्रदर थैंक यू सर
Can we first give it up for bad news? It's I actually don't come with good news. I have a bit of bad news and I want to keep this behind your seat if that's okay. Okay. And we're going to come up with what the bad news of the day is and we'll begin with you.
Okay, with me?
Yeah.
I am the bad news.
No. We'll begin by asking you to help out.
Okay, thank God.
We're going to hit start and Amibaji, you're going to say stop whenever you want. जब आप बोलेंगे stop, then he'll press the lap button over there. Face the phone to them so they can also
start
see.
करूँ बाद
Yeah.
में ना.
अभी मैं कभी भी स्टॉप बोल सकता
Start हो गया
हूँ
वो चलता रहेगा.
अभी बोल सकता हूँ ना स्टॉप
कभी भी 4 बार बोलना आपको सिर्फ.
स्टॉप 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 स्टॉप
And now actually hit stop after that. Okay, now I want you to just read out the millisecond values from top and go down.
Okay, so it's the last one was 18.53.
Okay,
Then it was 17.
53.
53. Then it was 17.34.
3-4. Just read the milliseconds.
Then it okay. Then it's
3-4.
16.10, so 10.
1-0.
And then it's 15.09, which is
0-9. So
0-9.
okay, so just keep this in mind. We're going to leave the phone right down over
5
there
3
right
3
now.
4
And
1
please take a
0
seat
0
as
9
well.
Okay.
Please take a seat as well. That's our numbers for today.
Okay.
It's
Yeah.
going to mean something at some point. But before we do anything, can I ask both of you to come join me over here for a second?
Yes,
and
sir,
we can
please.
try and see if we can do something for you. Give
Yeah.
them a big hand, everybody.
थैंक
So, how long do you know each other for? कितने टाइम से आप एक दूसरे को? I'll take the mic. That's okay. Yeah. कितने
भाई
टाइम?
मतलब ऑलमोस्ट मतलब बात तो हमारी एक दो बार पहले भी हो चुकी है लेकिन हमने काम ऑलमोस्ट पिछले मतलब 3 साल से हम काम कर रहे हैं 3 साल से हमारी फिल्म बन रही है तब से बात हो रही है तो ऑलमोस्ट 4 साल लगा लो
4 साल हो गए. Do you believe in energy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes you just look at a person, you know exactly what they're feeling. Does that happen to you sometimes? It happens with the people we're most closest to.
Yeah,
या कभी कभार
So we're gonna try and connect you both at some level. At some level, okay?
प्यार ही हो जाएगा आपको.
हाँ, हो जाएगा. Just face everybody right now and close your eyes. Okay? You can put the mic down, that's fine. And whatever happens, I just want you to be very aware and very mindful of whatever you feel. For example, it could be something like this. Did you feel that? Now that was me. Did you feel this? Okay, perfect. You're doing excellent. Just keep your eyes closed. आपको अपनी आंखें खोलनी नहीं और कुछ बोलना भी नहीं. Okay, just be aware. No matter what you feel, don't say anything. Just be aware. Just be aware. With your eyes closed, Vicky. I have the mic in front of you, but can you tell us what you felt?
Is something on my nose?
Something on your nose. How many times did you feel it?
I think once definitely, but I think twice.
You think twice. Was it hard or was it soft?
Soft,
Soft? Like what would you say?
like a feather.
Like a feather. Please open your eyes. Thank you so much. I know you have no clue what happened because you were being a part of this and feeling everything you were. They saw what happened. आपको बोलना है उनको क्या हुआ?
मतलब टू मच इंग्लिश आपके मतलब ये मतलब आपको फील हो रहा था ना मेरे कर रहे थे यहाँ पे हाँ पहले 2 बार ऐसा किया फिर एक बार ऐसा किया फिर एक बार ऐसा किया 3-4 बार हुआ ना हाँ ये मेरे हो रहा था लाभ फील कर रहे थे ओ भाई आई लव यू यार
Now comes to the bad news of
और
this
यार-
section. So this works for 24 hours. So whatever he does for 24 hours, you'll feel. Be careful tonight. Like,
कोई टेंशन नहीं, अकेला ही हूँ।
उसी का तो डर है। We'll do this. Okay, so I want you to come sit over here right now. आप
okay,
आ जाइए, दोनों बैठ जाइए।
Okay, भाजी, thank you.
And we keep the
Guys, yeah, very good.
Yes. And so we'll actually end this like this. Vicky, I want you to help me out. And भाई आप दोनों कर सकते हो।
जी भाजी।
Think of a 2-digit number. Any
जी,
2-digit number.
जी।
एक नंबर माइंड में।
जी,
और
कर लिया।
आपको सिर्फ एक दूसरे को दिखाना है। If you say it out loud, I can hear it. That's fine. If you say it out loud, I can hear it. So what I'll have you do is, I want you to think of a childhood friend. Somebody you're not in touch with right now. You have a name in mind? Yeah. There's always one name that comes to mind. Over here, nice and big in all caps, write down the name and show it to him. Okay, so only y'all will know. I won't know at this point.
मतलब ये नाम लिख रहे हैं, right?
Just नाम लिख रहे हैं. And while you do that, I'm going to make a note for you. And you have that number in mind. Pass the pad to him and the pen as well. And आपको वो number, just write down the number over there. That's right. Yeah, just the number. Okay, I want you to just think of the name of this friend right now. And imagine your phone rings and this person is calling you right now. When was the last time you spoke to them, roughly? 15-20 साल हो गए. And you've not been in touch with him since. So imagine your phone rings, you pull it out, you take a look, his name flashes, और आपने phone यहाँ पे रखा and you say, hi XYZ, जो भी नाम है उनका. Just can you hold out your hand like this? Okay, and just say this name in your mind over and over again. And in your mind, if you can do this may not make sense, but अपने mind में आपको सिर्फ just bump up the volume to a point where I can hear you. It's completely fiction at this point. Starts with a D. Yeah. And now just do this, okay? This is like a little metronome. Put your hand down, thank you. This is a metronome, okay? So every time you snap, you say the name louder every time, okay? So here we go. In your mind, yes. It gets louder and louder and louder. We haven't set this up. I haven't told you anything that you're going to say this name or anything like that, right?
I haven't even thought about this guy since a long time.
You haven't thought about him since a long time. So in his mind, this is what Vicky is going. He's going Devesh, 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 Devesh. Devesh is standing right over there. Can we play? Devesh, say hi. No, I'm kidding. That would have been too good. I'm not that good. I know, that would have been a little freaky. But can we give Vicky a big hand, please, everybody?
Can we give you a big hand as well, guys?
How?
So this is, thank you so much. This is we're coming to a close right now. Can you read us those numbers right now?
Can you predict the day one opening number of this film?
I will, just as we're done. Just as we're done.
Okay, accordingly,
Lifetime collection, bad news.
Day 100 crores, that we know for sure.
अब हमें promotion की जरूरत नहीं है.
Okay, read those numbers out. Yes. Vicky, the bad news, please. Yeah. No, from the top, only the millisecond values.
53 34 10 09
09. That's exactly 53041009. Wherever you wanted. जब भी आप चाहते थे. But I told you before we began that these are not just random numbers. This is the bad news of the day. Because Vicky, if you actually turn this the other way around, it forms the title Bad News.
यार bad news लिखा हुआ है guys. ओए होए.
Actually, I will tell you the opening of your film, and this is a pure guess.
Wow, man. Wow, yeah, give it.
क्या बात है.
This is a pure guess, but I think there's a reason why I asked you to write down two numbers,
भाई कैमरे ऑन है.
and that was the opening.
कौन से?
That was the opening. I'm thinking, and then add the word crores after that. Just think of this number जो आपने सोचा.
जी.
आपको अपने माइंड में दोहराना है इसको. अपने माइंड में दोहराना है इसको. Okay? You've seen it as well. आपने भी
No, I
देखा?
haven't.
Okay, just take a look at it right now. So both of you know.
Oh.
And if he saw what I'm seeing in your eyes, what he would have seen would have sounded something like 67 crores.
Yes.
That makes sense?
Yes. 67 guys.
67 guys. We'll keep a track on this. Thank you so much for your time.
so much. You are amazing.
God bless you. God bless you.
I would like you to introduce yourself because the world should know.
So, my name is Chirag Jethwani. I am a mentalist and an illusionist. and I've been doing this for the past 10 years. And I think the one noteworthy achievement that I'm proud of is that I represented India at FISM, which is the Federation of Magic Societies.
bless you, brother.
Happens once a year in Germany.
John
Thank
Levin.
you.
Thank you so much, Chirag. Thank you for doing this.
I don't know if it's going to be fun to be your girlfriend or not.
No, I don't have any, so I don't think.
No wonder, because all the best, bro. You superb.
मतलब जो आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड आप पे अगर चीट वीट करे तो आप पकड़ लोगे उसे खतरनाक काम है ना ओए यार वेरी गुड ब्रदर
That was amazing, guys. Can we give a round of applause to him?
Hola! Your dream vacation to Sri Lanka starts from rupees 24,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.